Best gold information before investing. Gold. Gold has been a tremendous value and worth. Gold was discovered centuries ago and has been found in ancient civilizations. If you want to invest in some gold, these tips can help you get more bang for your buck. Get a value from several buyers before selling your gold. There are quite a few stores selling jewelry or that buy it, and some will pay you more than others. Getting multiple offers allows you make sure that you receive a fair price. Bullion is the safest way to invest in gold. These bars come in various weights. The bars vary in size from half an ounce to 400 ounces bars. The larger bars are generally hard to find. Research gold buyers before selling your gold. Check out current price in the gold market before you ever sell any jewelry. This will indicate whether you're getting a fair price or buy. The IRS has to approve the gold that you receive. Bars are often a better deal than coins are. Only buy gold jewelry from a seller if you can. Return policy. If that happens, it is important you can return the piece for a full refund. Sell gold buyers that are licensed. There are a lot of stores and individuals that will buy gold, so avoid thinking you have to go with the first buyer you see. Use a magnet to determine if an item is made of gold or another precious metal. Precious metals like gold are not respond to magnets. Sometimes only the clasp is solid gold clasp. This is a good test for that. Research the gold market ahead of investing. There are predators out there in the gold market that they know what they're talking about, just want you investing with them. Be sure you know what everything in your sales contract carefully. You should carefully read the whole contract, especially if you're using a mail-in purchasing service to sell gold. This helps you keep better track of how much you need to pay for fees. You do not have to physically own gold to invest in hand in order to invest it. If you decide that you wish to own physical gold, take into account the cost of secure storage of your gold. Separate your gold into groups based on carat weight. Some buyers will weigh all your items at once and pay you what the smallest carat weight is worth. This is a scam that will cheat you money. The purity of gold is measured in units called carats. The purer the gold, the more pure and the more expensive it is per ounce. You cannot just go by the carat stamp. You will not inadvertently purchase bad quality if you know how to do gold purity. This is crucial when you use mail-away type service with a buyer in another state or community. Find out what your seller's buyback policy. Some buyers will charge a fee to sell your gold. Think about how much it would cost to send things like gold coins or bars that are bulky to dealers far from where you live. It is always best to hold on to the gold you purchase it from your local dealer. You should know ahead of time that you won't be able to get the full value of your gold. Gold dealers work like most other business people. Expect to receive offers that are 30 to 50% below the 50% to 70% range of your total value. Think about how a certain gold was made before you buy it. Machine-made gold jewelry holds less value than a handcrafted piece. This doesn't affect the meltdown value, but it will make a huge difference if it's sold as jewelry. Be cautious when buying any gold if you're unsure of its value. For instance, if you are purchasing a gold coin because of its historical value, find out the market price for it. Many people sell coins for future value, but that's not always the case. Always personally insure a package of gold that you're sending through the mail. Many companies send out mailers and say they are insured, however, you cannot put your faith in that. Insure it yourself to know you can get some of your money back if there is an issue. Don't buy gold from a cold calling you. They most likely are identity thieves who want your personal information and take advantage of you. Never give personal information and get rid of them as quickly as possible. Gold coins are a good investment over time. You need to hold on to gold coins for no less than 3 or more years prior to selling. The value of particular gold coins varies a lot in function of what determines its value. Look for coins likely to increase in value in the next couple of years. Look for a company such as Kitco who store your gold for you. This will facilitate matters when you decide to sell gold without having to physically ship it. Weigh gold using a kitchen scale. You can easily find a site that will convert the weight and provide a reasonable estimation of what possible buyers may offer you for your pieces. This could help you to estimate the value so you get the most for your money. You should know how many carats the gold piece you wish to purchase. Pure gold rings in at 22 carats. A lot of gold jewelry and coins will have less carats in them. Set a budget before looking at gold. You will want to make sure you actually can afford to invest your money. You need to have available cash for bills paid and groceries on the table in order to make a purchase. If you have all that in check, you can invest. After reading this article, you should be better educated in the investment of gold. This wise investment is great for both short-term and long-term investments. Use the advice from this piece and get going on your gold investing plan.